Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. If you want real Zimbabwe news, subscribe and let's get into it. Vice President, Retired General Dr. Constantino Chiwenga says mineral exploration is central to Zimbabwe's industrialization agenda and the attainment of Vision 2030. Addressing delegates at the inaugural Exploration Symposium at Mine Entra 2026 in Bulawayo today, the Vice President said unlocking the country's mineral potential was critical to accelerating industrialization, strengthening value chains, and supporting sustainable growth. Speaking under the theme Defining the Future of Zimbabwe Through Exploration, Vice President Chiwenga described the country's vast mineral endowments as strategic assets in the fourth industrial revolution. He urged the stakeholders to explore both known and untapped resources to feed local industries. The government remains committed to beneficiation and value addition to enhance Zimbabwe's competitiveness on the global stage, he said. The Vice President also noted the growing role of artificial intelligence and emerging technologies in modern exploration and processing. He called on industry and academia to deepen collaboration through skills transfer, research, and student attachments to build a new generation of innovators. Chiwenga toured the exhibition stands at Mine Entra, where he interacted with exhibitors showcasing innovations across the mining value chain. This was all done at the Zimbabwe International Trade Fair. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.